Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix internet disconnect after sleep mode in Windows 10 computer, or how to keep internet connection active when in sleep mode in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To save energy, Windows automatically disable the internet connection when the computer goes into sleep mode. This setting locks up the computer user and severs the computer's connection to the local area network, disrupting office network applications and periodic computer updates and messages. Now I am going to show you how to fix this issue. Right click on Start menu. Click on Device Manager. In Network Adapters, expand this network adapters and look, this is Realtek Wireless LAN 802.11 USB 2 network adapter. I am using this network adapter. Okay, right click on the network adapter and click on Properties. Now click on Power Management. Now look, the option allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Okay, uncheck this option and click on OK. Close Device Manager. Now in search bar type power. Look, the power and sleep settings. Open power and sleep settings. This is additional power settings. Click on additional power settings. Balance recommended, and in front of it you will find a link that is change plan settings. Okay, click on change plan settings. Now you will get a option change advanced power settings. Click on it. Look, the wireless adapter settings, just expand it, and power saving mode, also expand it on battery and plugged in condition. In on battery option, just click on drop down and click on maximum performance, and plugged in option, click on drop down and select maximum performance. Okay, now click on apply, then click OK. Now close edit plan settings and close settings. Hope this troubleshoot solve your issues. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.